Hello everyone, welcome to UiPath Solutions by Siva. In this video, we are going to perform some operations on the list. Let me show you what are the operations we are going to cover in this video. Sorting the values in ascending order, descending order, printing all the list values, minimum value, maximum value, sum and average, index of a particular value. To perform all these operations, we need a list. So let me create a list and add some values to the list. Let me take as an activity. I have already created a list variable with the name numbers of type integer 32. So let me take the same variable numbers. Let me zoom. I'm going to assign few values to the list. New list of, this is a type of integer of int 32 from values. Let me consider some values 4, 6, 20, 10 and 30. Okay, the first operation is sorting the values in descending and ascending order. We can sort the values in descending and ascending order in many ways, but here I am going to sort the values using a link query. Let me take as an activity. List variable that we can sort the values using a keyword order by descending to sort the values in descending order. And then let me write the lambda function of x. You can consider any name. Here I am considering the name as x. It will it will return the enumerable. So to convert into list, let me type the to list. And the list variable, I have already created a variable to store the values in ascending order. Let me print the values to check whether the list values are sorted in descending order or not. To print the values, let me take the log message. We can print the list values using the string.join method. Let me write string.join comma followed by list variable. Okay, here I have taken the comma to join the list values. Let me run the process to see whether the values are sorted or not. Let me open the output. 30, 20, 10, 6, 4. From higher to lower, the values are sorted in descending order. The same way, let me sort the values in ascending order. Let me take the assign activity. syntax should be list variable dot order by and lambda function of x and x. It returns the enumerable to convert into to list. Let me type dot to list. Let me assign the variable. I have already created the list variable ascending, numbers ascending. To print all these values, let me take message the same syntax string dot define comma and list variable. Okay. Before run, let me add some description to know what it is printing. It is printing the values in ascending order side. So let me write values in order, and the same way let me write for the descending order descending order. Let me run the process to see the result, whether the values are sorted correctly or not. Values in descending order 30, 20, 10, 6, 4, ascending order 4, 6, 10, 20, 30. Yes, the list values are sorted properly. The next operation is minimum, maximum, sum and average. Take the assign activity. Let me write the link with syntax for minimum value. Let me zoom. List variable dot as enumerable dot for minimum function we have to write. It's not coming right, no problem, we can write it. Minimum of lambda function we have to write function of x. Here to get the minimum value we have to write the minimum method, and to get the maximum the same way for average also. Just the entire syntax is same, only method will be changed. Okay, yeah. Let me assign the variable I have already created for minimum value. This is a integer value. I have created the type as integer. Okay, the same way let me do it for maximum. Let me take the assign activity. In my studio, copy paste option is not working, that's why every time I'm taking the new activity and writing the syntax. Okay, minimum, maximum. Let me assign the maximum value variable, and for average also we do the same. Here to, instead of minimum we have to write the average. Okay, let me assign the variable average value. To see all these values, let me take the log message. Okay, minimum value, value. The same way for other two. We can copy paste. This minimum is for maximum. Maximum the same way. Average. Minimum value, maximum value, and average value. Okay. Oh, these are the integer values. So we are now concatenating with the string variable. So we have to convert these integer values to string. So let me convert dot to string dot to string. Okay, let me put here also dot to string. Now let me run and see. Yeah, minimum value is 4, maximum value is 30, and the average is 14. Okay, from here the minimum value is 4 and the maximum value is 30 and the average is 14. Okay, yeah. The next operation is index of a particular value. Values in the list we consider 4, 6, 20, 10, 30, right? Now let me find the what is the value of index. Index always starts from 0, right? Value 4 is at 0 index, 6 at 1, at index 1, and 20 is at index 3rd, right? So now I want to get the index of this value 20. Here I am considering the value as 20. Okay, for that let me take the message box. Okay, to show you list variable dot index of no, we want to know the index of the value 20, right? Just consider put the value 20. We know that this 20 is at position 3rd, so the index value is 0, 1, 2. It should be 2. Now let me run and see whether we are getting the same value or not. Yes, we are getting the same value, index 2. See, the 20 is at 3rd position, so index will be 2. Thank you guys for watching this video. That's all for this video. We'll see in the next video. Thank you.